How to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. As you can see in this video, you can find the CapCut template which you can use in your own videos. If this feature is not shown in your TikTok, you first want to head over to Play Store and then search for TikTok. Once you do that, if there is the update button, you want to tap on it and update TikTok to the latest version. Sometimes when you don't update the app, you might not be getting the new features, and this might be one of the reasons why you're facing this issue. After you have updated your app, you want to tap on the open button and you should find the CapCut template. If not, you want to search for CapCut template over here. Once you do that, open up the video which has used CapCut template. For example, I'm choosing this video. Now tap on the template option and here tap on open CapCut. So when you tap on this, you're going to be directed to the CapCut app, and over here you can tap on try now. So select any photo that you want. Once you do that, it is automatically going to add that template in your photo. So you can then save this and then upload it on TikTok itself. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.